Very warm welcome to Let's Calculate Fast. In this video, we will learn to find the square root of 3 to 4 digits number, and the sutra used here is Vilokanam. It means by observation. This means just by looking at the number, we will be able to find the square root of that number. And this sutra is applicable only for the numbers those are perfect squares, right? So as you can see here, I have written a table over here. Here is the number, square of the number, unit digit of the square, and unit digit or last digit of the square root, right? So number or square root, one and the same thing. This is the square root. This is the square of the numbers. To apply this method, we need to know the squares of at least 13 to 15 numbers. So let us start applying this method. As you can see here, I have written the last digit of the square. The square of number 5 is 25. Its last digit is 5, right? The square of number 8 is 64. And the last digit or unit digit of 64 is 4. I have written here. The 13th square is 169 and its last digit is 9. I have written over here. Now be very careful what I am going to tell you. This is the base of this method. This is the column of the last digit of the square root, right? Last digit of the square root. See the numbers I have written in black. N square, 81, 121. All these numbers are all these squares are having their unit digit or last digit as 1, right? And their square roots are having their unit digit either 1 or 9. So from this we come to the conclusion that whenever the unit digit of a square is 1, its square root will end either in 1 or 9, right? Similarly, when the unit digit of a square is 4, its square root can either have unit digit 2 or 8. 2 2s are 4, 8 8s are 64. Similarly, when a square is having a unit digit of 6 or last digit of 6, its square root must have unit digit or last digit either 4 or 6. 4 4s are 16, 6 6 are 36, right? To apply this method, you need to learn this table. So let us take our very first example. We want to find the square root of 2116. Now to apply this method, first starting from right hand side, make pair of two digits. 2 digits 1 6 16, 2 digits 21. 2 pairs, so there will be 2 digits in the square root. So let us take our first group 16. It will give us the idea of the unit digit of the answer. Now as we have discussed over here, whenever the square is having its unit digit as 6, then its square root must have its unit digit either 4 or 6. When the square is having unit digit as 6, the square root must have unit digit either 4 or 6. So here as the last digit of the square root, we can have either 4 or 6. This is fixed, right? Now this 21 will tell us about the 10th digit, and also this 21 will decide which one to choose, 4 or 6. We need to find the perfect squares, those are near to 21. Perfect square less than 21 is 16 and perfect square greater than 21 is 25, right? We will go with the smaller square. 16 means 4 square, right? So here comes the 10th digit of the answer, 4. It is final. Now this 4 will decide which one to choose, 4 or 6. Take 4, find digit next to 4. Next to 4 is 5. Multiply these two, 5 fours are 20. Now compare 21 and 20. This 21 is greater than 20, so we will choose the greater number. Out of 4 and 6, which one is greater or which one is bigger? 6. So 46, and this is our answer. Easy, very easy. The square root of 2116 is 46. Let me take one more example. Say we want to find the square root of 5184. Starting from right, start making pair of 2 digits. You get 2 pair, so there should be 2 digits in your square root or in your answer. Right? Now, what is the last digit of the square? It is 4. Since the last digit of the square is 4, so the square root must have either 2 or 8 as its last digit. Right? So we get the idea that here we can have either 2 or 8. This 51 will decide the 10th digit and also which one to choose among 2 and 8. So let us take 51. Find the perfect squares near to 51. Perfect square less than 51 is 49. Perfect square greater than 51 is 64. And which one to choose? The smaller one. We will go with the number 49. Now 49 means 7 square. So here comes the 10th digit of our answer, which is 7. Now this 7 will decide which one to choose, 2 or 8. Find the digit next to 7, which is 8. Multiply these two. 8 sevens are 56. Compare 51 and 56. Now since 51 is smaller than 56, so we will go with the smaller number. Which is smaller among 2 and 8? 2. So we will go with 2. Here come our answer. Just by observing or looking at the number, we come to the conclusion that this is the answer of our number. Right? Here the number 21 was greater than 20, so we choose the bigger number. Here 51 is less than 56, so we go with the smaller number. Here are few questions. Try these questions, and if you find any doubt, then do write down in the comment section below. I will try to solve all your doubts. In the next video as well, we will continue with the easy methods of finding square roots. If you like the video, then please consider to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.